Hi, it's me, Sage. You're watching one of my video, and this is, well, it's called Cooking with Sage. Well, alright, so in this video, we're gonna clean the stove, and here it is. Alright, before I show you, today is January 24, 2020. Alright, so I got the stove over here. I already scrubbed it with the soap. I use a regular Scotch-Brite. I use the soft side. Then I got a rag over here. Then we're just gonna wipe the stove. All right, now that's ready, we're gonna put everything back. And that's it. All right, again, my name is Sage, and this is a cooking video, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye.